Hello and assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to tutorial number 2 of our PHP series. So let us get started. In this tutorial, first we are going to go to XAMPP folder. Then we are going to start XAMPP. Click on start. XAMPP has started. After that we are going to go to htdocs. So this is where everything that you want to run on server side should be available. I'm going to delete everything because I don't like anything of it. I'm going to create my own file and I'm going to call it index.php. Now I am going to double click on this. Now what I'm going to do is basically start my PHP. How do we start our PHP? We start our PHP with this sign and then typing PHP, and then we end it with the question mark and the greater than sign. Inside this is our PHP. What we are going to say is PHP info, and we are going to just run this. This will basically allow us to see if our PHP is correctly installed. After that, we are going to click on save and then go to our browser and search for localhost. Now as you can see, my PHP version is 7.0.9 and everything is installed correctly. Now let us come back. This is what you see is called standard tag. You have a short tag that would be this tag without PHP text. Then after that you have another tag that is called ASP tag. This tag does not run now, but if you want to use it, you need to go to php.ini. That would be in here, config, then log, and then you need, from here, you need to enable the short open tag. Then as you can see, the short open tag is turned off. If you want to use the short tag, you need to turn it on. Similarly, ASP tag, then you need to turn the ASP tags on. But we will always use the standard tag, so don't worry about that. Inside here, let us actually type hello world. How do we type hello world? We start with echo, means print, then we print hello world. Then we end our statement. This is called a delimiter, means it tells the browser that we are done with this statement. It also is known as the semicolon. So let us actually save this and come back to our browser and refresh. We get hello world. And if we check our source, we see that it's hello world. There is no HTML. Let us come back in here. Now we are going to type print. And inside print, we're going to type hello world. And we're going to end it, then save it. Let's come back in here. We see hello world. So either you use print or echo, it doesn't matter, both of them are same thing. Now about HTML, we can actually add the HTML inside of double quotes. Let's go in here and add a break, BR, then end of BR, then let us save this. Not end of BR, we are just closing it. Let us come back in here, refresh this, and you will see a BR in here, and it is actually an HTML tag. How can you tell? Because the color is changed. And if you come here, you will see that it actually does effect. So now, if I add in here h1 and save it, refresh, it will work as h1 should work. So we can use either print or echo. We can use HTML inside of our PHP really easily. Okay guys, that was all, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.